Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for optimizing your digital life. Today we're diving into Firefox and learning how to automatically delete site data when you close the browser. If you're all about keeping your browsing clean and private, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Firefox browser. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on the three-line menu icon. From there, select Settings or Preferences if you're on a Mac. Now look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down a bit until you see the Cookies and Site Data section. Here, you'll want to check the box that says Delete Cookies and Site Data when Firefox is closed. And just like that, you've told Firefox to clean up site data every time you close the browser. And that's it! With just a few clicks, your browser will automatically clear site data and keep your privacy in check. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Also, let me know in the comments what other Firefox tricks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.